I'm in an exceptional good mood today. I don't know why, because I woke up this morning and I'm still alive. Doesn't matter what's going wrong. As long as you're alive, you're fine. Today I'm going to review, again, a Wacky Wednesday special. That's what it looks like. It's 2 beef burgers today. But today, I'm going to add extra barbecue sauce to the one, and extra creamy peri-peri sauce to the other. I don't have much cream peri-peri sauce, so, but anyways. Okay, so this is the one that I put the barbecue sauce on, and this is one that I put peri-peri on. First, let's take the barbecue sauce. Here goes. It's really nice. It's very nice. I'll give this burger 8 of 10. It's very nice. And then we one with a peri-peri. Here goes. This is very nice. I'll rate this one 8.2. As you all know, I love peri-peri sauce. Thanks guys, till next time. Love you, alright.